media present with us this evening. Very proud to welcome you down here to Crossword for a very special book launch. Healing the Blue Planet, authored by Bane Singh and coming to you, published by Lead Start Publishing. Crossword aims to be a point of social and cultural interaction, a place where authors and poets hold court, children are regaled, and people just like all of us gravitate to be informed, entertained, and also very much enlightened. He also has other prestigious awards to his credit, and his outstanding ghazal collection was published by the title Darya Mein Majdar Bahut Hai, preface of which was written by the then Prime Minister of India, Shri Chandrasekhar. He is currently holding the title of Chief Patron of over 24 active societies. He is also the President of Finance Committee, Treasurer and member of Rajasthan Urdu Academy, and is also very participative and active in the literary activities both at the state and national level. With so many portfolios to take care of, still he has made the time to share it with us this evening. So big thank you to Mr. Lokesh Kumar. A very special guest of honor, also sharing the evening and table with us, Pawan Shankar, extremely popular face needing not much of the introduction from the television screen. Today he is also very popularly known as Pradeep, his screen name from the popular serial Kya Hua Tera Wada, currently being aired on Sony TV. Congratulations for your success, Pawan, on the television screen. But he also has played the lead and title role in the serial Siddharth that gloriously ran on the television channel Star One in 2005, for which he got the Telly Best Actor Critics Award for the same category in Indian Awards. And if that isn't sufficient, well, he's got more under his belt. He has done more than 50 TV commercials, 50 television commercials with leading names from Bollywood. But taking it all in one breath, he is currently also the managing director of Fashionista, a fashion and television exhibitions management concern. So thank you very much, Pawan, for joining us this evening. Certainly adds a lot and means a lot to the author and the publishers. Before we take this evening forward, I'd like to share with you that the Governor of Maharashtra has sent his best wishes from Raj Bhavan, Mumbai. Best wishes for the launch of the book Healing the Blue Planet, and that is a very big compliment to the author who has taken so much trouble. So I'd like to share with you a few words about the author Bane Singh. National Grand Winner 2009 from the Citizens Connect initiative by Times of India. That is certainly a Herculean achievement. Bane Singh is a civil engineer and ecologist by professional training and an environmentalist by heart and learning. A scholar and thinker, he began his career with the Water Resource Department. Thereafter, he developed an abiding passion for environment. Since 1992, he has significantly consolidated that knowledge on the subject. He's been associated with numerous environmental technical reports during his professional career and holding multi-chromatic assignments. Bane's innovative yet viable ideas on environmental enhancement has won him widespread acclaim, as has his articles in the Times of India, written to galvanize environmental rethinking. Well, I could say a lot more, but with the time constraints, permit me to share just a little bit, as he is frequently lecturing on environmental awareness, water conservation, and sustainable development. This evening certainly falls no short of any of his special lectures that he has delivered all across the globe. So congratulations once again, Bane. You've been very humble, and of course, you've been very generous to share with us your valuable time along with the book launch. Without much ado, firstly, I'd like to invite our special guest along with the author, what we've been anxiously waiting for along with the media. Please come forth and unwrap the copy for us, and let's present and launch Healing the Blue Planet. Avid readers, customers, and members of Crossword, may I invite you to please put your hands together and let's receive Ms. Chandralekha Maitra, the Executive Director, Editorial of Lead Start. Thank you very much, Chandralekha, for joining us. A few words from you.
Pleasure, ma'am.
Good evening to all of you. As publishers, we produce books every day of the week. And we're fortunate to launch some very special titles. Today, we are launching a book that is not only a book, but in fact, a call to arms for everyone who populates this earth. We all profess to love the blue planet. When we look at the beautiful pictures that spaceships send out to us, and we look at that lovely blue planet in space, we think we're really privileged to live on this planet. But are we really, deserving of our place on the planet? Do we, for even a moment, stop to think how our own actions impact what happens around us and about us, and more than anything else, what do we leave our children tomorrow? They say that we are just legatees and we leave the planet for our children. But what will actually happen has been to reawaken the soul of every person on this planet. Because this is not about the minister, this is not about the government, this is not about the other person. It is about you. What can you do